Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can easily do the shake and zoom edit in CapCut. So if you want to have that shake and zoom effect in CapCut, you can do it instantly with one click. And here's how to do that. So first, after you import the clips, you can just click on the clip that you want to add the effect and head to the animations options, and then under the in category, just swipe until you find the shake zoom effect here. But this one is a pro feature, so if you want to use it, you need to buy the CapCut Pro first and subscribe to it. So I'm going to just click on it and adjust on how long or how the animations you want to last in your clip. So I'm going to just go with 0.5 seconds. Then I'm going to add it to all of the clips that I imported. Okay, the last one, and after that you are done, and you can see the result will go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.